ride of 2021. Of course, as you guys can see, we are out on the KLX today, going for a little bit of a rip and gonna practice some cornering, kind of off-road cornering, because I want to get better at that. So we're gonna make our way over to our little off-road spot here and go ahead and practice some right-hand turns. Left-hand turns, doing pretty good at. Right-hand turns, where you can't stick your leg out and use the rear brake at the same time, I need to practice those. But as you guys have probably noticed, I took a couple days off my normal uploading schedule to try and freshen up the channel a little bit. So what does that mean? Well, went through, had to search for a while for some new music. That's one of the things that you kind of got to be up on your toes on, keeping some fresh music going on the channel. A little bit different outro. But that also means I revamped my merchandise, which I never have really pushed before. I figured it's 2021, start of a new year, let's go ahead and try that out a bit. Just got one simple design for any of you, I guess, OGs or those who just want to support the channel. And since this is the first time I decided to push some merch, I created a 20% off code from yours truly. So go ahead, I'll put that up on the screen here, and if you want to buy stuff, awesome. And if not, hey, at least you're watching the videos and supporting the channel. That is one long line that I do not want to wait in, so I'm not going to. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into some fun, shall we? Alright, so that's that. Also, in the past couple days, I got some parts for the next project. Pretty excited for this next project. It's gonna be homemade, built by my own hands. Well, with my friend's hands too, because he's gonna help me out. And my dad too. He'll probably help out. Heck, my brother will probably even help out. So we are almost to our spot here. But before we get here, I got some questions for you guys. When you guys are doing dank nooners and you're wearing boots, how do you use the rear brake when you're wearing boots? Because you can't really use your toe that much. I can't lift my toe up enough while keeping my foot on the peg. So do I need to lower my rear brake a bit? Or is it just natural to lift your foot up off the peg, hit the brake while you're at dank nooner position? That doesn't seem very safe, if you ask me. Taking a foot off the peg doesn't seem right, so maybe I have to lower my rear brake. Here I am, once a squid rider myself, not wearing any boots, just some high top shoes, sweatpants, and a sweatshirt. And now here I am wearing boots, and I really don't want to not wear boots. Maybe some shorty boots, but after wearing them and you see how much ankle support you got, kind of is a little bit more confidence inspiring. So let me know down in the comments as well how to do that. Like I said, I don't really get it. Alright, here we go guys. Gonna do some beginner stuff, practicing my right hand turns. Ooh, almost had it there. If I can get that wheel spinning, get it to come around. Nope, that wasn't it. Ah! I want to stick my foot out once I get to about the 90-degree point, but when I do that, my wheel gains traction again. So I need to keep my foot on, I think, and use the throttle to keep it going. That was pretty good. I gained traction there in the middle, so it was kind of like a 90-degree turn, a little bit straight, and then kind of clutch dump out of it. Let me go ahead and set a camera up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So as you saw, we have the Supermotos on here, so that way we can have less traction off-road. We got pretty good there at the 180s. Now, we just need to practice while we're cornering. What we need to practice is getting out sideways in the corner, trying to carry that slide through the corner using the throttle. Towards the end there, you saw that I was getting the hang of the right-hand 180. Make about a 90-degree brake turn, and then dump the clutch just a little bit to get the rear end spinning. So the next step will be keeping my feet on the pegs the whole time. Brake, 90-degree, dump the clutch a little bit, and then get the other 90 degrees. But pretty good day right there. I also got some knee guards, so now I am fully protected, which is a good thing. Kinda wish I had all this gear when I crashed on the KX and broke my wrist, but I only hurt my wrist, nothing else hurt after the crash, but it would have been nice to kind of have the confidence to land on my knees. Wow, you just slide on the wet pavement. And just like that, it's dry again. Well, I think that is going to do it for today's video. The first ride of 2021 and getting some cornering practice in on the bike here. Make sure you guys stay tuned for what's coming. I'm pretty excited for it. So if you enjoyed, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends, those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action here. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'ma blow up.